QNT at the time of this recording is seeing a bit of a short-term pullback after losing a key area of support above the $78 and losing the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, flipping those key areas back into resistance. And at the time of this recording, we're also holding above support above the $69.1. We have also seen a break to the lower side of this ascending trend line, which is an indication that we have started to see a change of structure of this upward movement that we have been seeing for the past few days. And that is the first indication that we are going to see lower prices in the next coming days. And on today's video, I will be giving you key areas of support that we need to continue holding above, and above all, discuss my long-term price prediction analysis. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening from the lows that we made on the 6th of September. We started a very nice bounce to the upside, breaking through key areas of resistances in a move that has now given us a high above the $81. And after we picked in that high above the $81, you can see that we started a bit of a short-term pullback, and we have now finally lost a key area of support above the $78 in a move that has also given us a break to the lower side of this ascending trend line, indicating that there is a change of market structure. And that is now confirming to us that in the next coming days we are going to see a bit of a short-term pullback. And using the Fibonacci, we can be able to get the minimum pullback target areas by connecting the Fibonacci from the lows that we made down here below the $56 to the high above the $81, giving me a minimum pullback target area into the golden pocket, which lies between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.618, and that is between the $68.4 and the $65.5, which is the area over here. And there are very high chances that in the next coming hours, this is the area that we are going to fully maximize in that pullback movement. And once we have a low in place for this movement over here, then I will be expecting to see Quant give us a reversal to the upside, manage to break above key areas of resistances in a move that can be able to get us back above the $90 in the next coming days. And on the worst case scenario, in case we get a pullback and maybe at some point we break to the lower side of this target area over here, then there are chances that we can easily see further breakdown moves, giving us a reset of the lows that we made on the 6th of September. So that is the alternative scenario that we need to have in mind, and that is my worst case scenario. But as long as we continue holding within this area over here, then I will be expecting a bounce to the upside and manage to break above key areas of resistances. Jumping to the daily chart to now give you my long-term price prediction analysis, I still believe that we got our bear market lows below the $40 and peaked in a 5-wave structure over here, which peaked above the $229, completing the formation of this Elliot wave count 1. Then after we saw the high for that Elliot wave count 1, we started a pullback in an Elliot wave count 2, minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this red target area, an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are very high chances that in the next coming days or maybe weeks, we are going to start that aggressive bounce to the upside in an Elliot wave count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that Elliot wave count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave above the fib level 1.618, and that is above the $355.9. And based on the current prices, that move can easily give us a 5x to the upside. Then we can expect a short-term pullback in a wave 4, then continue pushing even higher in this Elliot wave count 5, taking us to new all-time highs and possibly giving us more than a 10x. So that is the price action that I'm expecting on the QNT chart on the short term and also on the long term. And for the short term, I've given you the key areas of support that we need to continue holding and also my pullback target areas. And let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.